Amazon will give away 30 games, including Mass Effect Legendary Edition next month. 30 games. Just give it away. Prime Day giveaway also features Grid Classics, Need for Speed Heat. I haven't heard Need for Speed in a while. I used to play that on PC.
Mm-hmm.
And some Star Wars classics. Which are those? What's the list, Will? Oh, here we go. Star Wars Jedi Knight, Jedi Academy, Star Wars Jedi Knight 2, Jedi Outcast, and Star Wars Republic Commando.
Great game.
Is it?
It's a shooter, actually. It's very fun. Old school.
I don't remember any of these titles, actually.
No?
No.
Oh, yeah, they're all pretty good. Like, these are, I think, third-person lightsaber kind of.
Oh, maybe
things.
I might have played. I just can't keep the names together. I feel like I played.
Yeah.
And might have enjoyed. Prime Day will be held July 12th to 13th this year. So 2 days worth. And while the promotion's running, Prime subscribers will be able to download over 30 PC games for free via the Prime gaming service, including those Star Wars titles. Into the run-up of this day, 25 indie games will be made available to Prime members for free starting June 21st. Standouts from this selection include several SNK arcade classics, Fatal Fury Special, Metal Slug 2, Samurai Showdown 2, and a couple of King of Fighters. So, a bunch of free games to play.
Yeah, just a simple little deal.
Why not?